I want to leave you with one verse, Romans 12:10. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Everyone here, we love you. We're proud of you. We're rooting for you, and we're praying for you. To the bride and groom.
We spent probably more than 1,000 hours on Skype, WhatsApp, Line, FaceTime video chatting. Sent texts, videos, pictures from thousands of miles apart. But I promise we won't have to do that anymore. Because wherever you are is where I will be. I promise to pray with you, read with you, and always point you towards God. And I promise to love you more today than yesterday, and even more tomorrow.
I've witnessed them really grow together as best friends. Marry your best friend, fall in love with your best friend. And I take it as the greatest living testimony that I've ever seen is that example being lived out in my immediate circle. Raise your glasses with me, please, to the best friends that best friends can have, and that's Garret and Deme. Thank you, guys.
It feels as if we've been waiting for this moment forever. No more waking up early or staying up late to call or FaceTime from thousands of miles away. I'm so excited to be with you in this journey for the rest of our lives. The love you show me every day makes me feel so valued and important. You are my biggest adventure, my favorite notification, my better half, and my home. Now and forever, you make it so easy to say I do.
I feel it in my soul. 'Cause when you know
Garret wins. He gets a beautiful, intelligent wife and gets to move to Maui. Actually, Garret wins again because he got to go to school at UH also. So, but the good news is we win too because we get Deme as our wonderful daughter, and so happy about that. That's awesome. We love you guys very much, and cheers. Everybody raise a glass to the happy couple. I love you guys.
I wanna spend my days trapped in a lover's haze. 'Cause when he stayed again.
She was just like that person, you know, those people that like are just so wonderful and joyful, positive all the time. Yeah, that's pretty much Deme in a nutshell. Like whenever you see her, there's like a rainbow in the background. I don't know where it came from. There's just like a rainbow coming out from the side, and that was Deme in a nutshell. And so naturally, Garret comes up to me and Matt, and he's like, "Hey," or Garret comes up to us. He's like, "Hey, I think I want to ask Deme on a date." And we're like, all right, we're going to pray for this guy. This guy's going to need every prayer he needs. We're just pleading with God. Garret, don't mess this up. Jokes aside, I've loved every moment watching you guys grow together. Mature from dear friends to giggling boyfriends and girlfriends, and now together as one in marriage.
I wanna spend my days trapped in a lover's haze. 'Cause when he stays.
Standing here now, I am looking forward to Deme and Garret's next set of adventures, one of which includes living in the same country for more than a month or two. My favorite thing is the everyday things with them. Garret popping in to see how my day was. Deme texting me to see if the surf was good by my house. These are the things I look forward to most of all. And so, let's raise our glasses. To these two, may young love grow into old love, and the big and small moments in between turn into priceless gold as the years go by. Cheers. Woo!
So before this moment, your two separate lives, often very far apart, were distinct. But in a mysterious way, your separate lives have been united. You two came today as individuals and you leave as one, as a couple united by God into one flesh. And what God has brought together, let no one separate. So Garret, you may now kiss your bride.
You shine brighter than the stars in the sky. I am yours and I know you are mine. You're the one I want to be next to. I want to live in that light. My love, you shine so bright. 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 You shine so bright.